Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. It is Tuesday, the 12th of May. And this week, our week of class assessments, it's great to see so many of you online again this morning. And having had a look at attendance for yesterday, one of our best days of attendance so far this term. So a massive well done to everyone across all year groups for getting stuck in to those assessments. A few reminders from me before I hand over to Miss Delver. Don't forget that for each lesson of the day, we will please ask you to make sure that you've registered using the link that is available either via your morning email or on each of the classrooms that you're attending across the day. And please make sure that as you're submitting your registration mark, that you're selecting Google Classroom as your method of virtual learning. Just thinking specifically now about your class assessments this week, and yes, these are important activities for us to monitor and check the progress that you've made across the summer term. But some advice that I would offer to all of you as you are approaching those assessments, please do make sure
because I'm live in
that you are taking your time, and please do not rush all of the assessments that you are completing. Take your time and check the responses and consider the responses that you are making and check your answers carefully. Also on the website, you will find that there is a new page on the virtual learning dashboard of frequently asked questions. And these will help you to make sure that if you have any queries or problems, that you're able to check those first, that will be able to offer you some helpful advice. Good luck with your assessments today. If you do have any problems, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us and we will resolve those for you. Miss Delver.
Hello, good morning, everybody. On the 12th of May, 1937, King George VI was crowned at Westminster Abbey. On the 12th of May, 1967, the British government agrees to allow the development of Stansted Airport. And also on the 12th of May, we have 4 of our wonderful students who were born. So that's Maya Benzel, Charlie Boynes, James Hertz, and Jessica Fisher. A very happy birthday to you from me and from the entire team at Bexleyheath Academy. Happy birthday to you, everybody. Bye.
Good morning, everybody. I hope that everyone is well today. I'm just coming at you today with a wellbeing tip for today and for moving forwards. Obviously, as we've said numerous times, this is a very strange and unusual time for us all. And especially during assessment week at the moment, you might find actually you're feeling a little bit more anxious, a little bit more worried than you were previously. So just a few tips. Having a routine is really, really important in uncertain times. Completing your schoolwork and your online lessons will help you with that routine. But I know personally, I'm struggling with evenings and weekends when I'm restricted with what I can do. So one thing that I'm trying to do, and one thing that I'd encourage you to do, is have a daily small goal or a challenge that you are looking to achieve. It might be something really small, might be something really minor, might be sending a kind text to a friend, FaceTiming someone, catching up with someone you haven't spoken to for a while. It may be downloading and reading a book. Keep in mind that Kindle offering lots of free books at the moment as well, so you have a look at those. It might be doing a different form of exercise. It could be walking for longer than you did yesterday. I know for me personally, I'm trying to walk my dog a bit further, a bit longer every day is my personal challenge. But do keep in mind that it is okay not to be okay. And if you are struggling, you just need to ask for help, whether that's indoors or whether that's outside of your home. Now, there are lots of people in school that you can speak to. I know that some of you have been getting in touch with teachers already, which is amazing. But if you check out our social media pages today, then you will find a link to lots of apps and websites and support phone numbers and places you can text. If you are struggling, it might take you one day, it might be for one moment, If you are struggling, there are plenty of people there that can help you. So please look at our social media. There are plenty of places that are offering you support. If you want to keep it in school, again, there are lots of email addresses to those of us in school who can help you out, or just drop you a friendly email. And don't forget that due to assessment week, we're aware that actually this might be quite a pressurised time for you working from home. So every day there are enrichment and wellbeing tasks for you to complete once your assessments are over. So please do go to the virtual learning dashboard, click on the wellbeing tab, and you'll be brought up with the programme of wellbeing activities. You'll also find all of our links and websites and apps for support on there as well. So good luck today with your assessments. Keep well, stay safe, and if you are struggling, if you do need a bit of help, then please always ask. I'm going to pass over to Miss Shallow now. Thank you, Miss Shallow.
Thanks, Miss Collier, for those amazing wellbeing tips. I've taken a few notes for myself and I'll be practicing those this weekend. Right, guys, I am here for the shout out. So I'm here to do the shout out for amazing students in our amazing classrooms. And the first shout out coming from PE goes out to Toby in year 8. Well done, Toby, for excellent effort in your PE lessons. Keep up the good work. Next shout out comes from Science, and that's from Miss Tanda, going out to Samantha in year 12 for your excellent effort and your consistency. Well done, Samantha. And the next lot comes from Miss Selby in maths, and that goes out to 2 year 10 students. That's Cameron and Ebube. Well done for your excellent engagement and resilience in solving problems in maths. Well done, boys. And the last lot is a group of year 10 coming from Mr. Yates in music, going out to Ebube again, Tia, Liam, Cameron, and Maddie. Well done, guys. And this is for you uploading your work on the NHS project. Such an amazing contribution. Great work, guys. And just a quick last reminder from me, don't forget, it's Anchor Teachers Day next week, Wednesday, the 20th of May. Your entries should be ready for the 15th of May. Thank you so much, guys. I will now hand you over to Miss Mush. Over to you, Miss Mush.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you are bright and well this morning. If you are not, you must know that we are here for you. As you all know, April showers bring forth May flowers, spring, and great weather. But we are in unusual times, and we have to remember that if we have to go out, we must be prepared to be safe. Stay at home and go out only if you have to. Keep washing your hands. One of these I always have in my bag if I'm out and about. One of these I always have just in case I can't get to water and I've run out of that. And I make sure that when I get indoors, I wash my hands as well as thoroughly as possible. Keep fit. I feel like a hypocrite saying that because I struggle. Anyone who I've taught knows with exercise, but I am trying. I do walk around. But do keep fit. Do your exercises. The weeks, the PE lesson that we get from the PE department, utilize it and stay healthy. Eat well. And remember, if ever you're out, the 2-meter rule. Look after yourself. You are all treasures of this world. Have a fantastic day.